Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Antonio again. It has been a long time since I don't do a video. Oh man, I was missing it. Today I'm going to do something like an experiment. Yeah? And you're going to say, what kind of experiment are you going to do, Antonio? Well, it's going to be something different to what I've done before. Well, where do I have that? I don't know where I have it. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do it here. Okay. I'm gonna do it in here. I'm going to check. Oh, look how beautiful it is. Do you see it? Yeah, cool. Huh? It doesn't matter if I do it here or not. What I'm going to do? No, I don't know why I use this one. It doesn't matter. I don't think I'm going to use it. Whatever. The experiment is going to be the following. I'm going to take this bead that I don't remember exactly what's the name of the bead. It has something kind of a name of the eye or whatever. Eye of the tiger, yeah, Rocky. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pick some beads, some pearls actually, gems, yeah. This is olive and there are like some mixed here. And I'm going to, there's tiger eye or something like that. I'm just going to pick gems and I'm going to, at random, yeah. I'm not going to check on the color, I don't care. It doesn't matter. Because I just put my hand in there, whatever comes out, I'm going to do like that, yeah. Put this in here, so I don't care about the color. I'm going to pick, I don't know how many, maybe like 10 from one side. No, it's going to be too many, because the size is like 8 millimeters, so it's going to be very big. As you can see, I'm not even checking what combination I'm going to use. So it doesn't matter. What happens is like whatever comes up in the end will be whatever it is. If the combination of colors is nice or not, if it's good or not, if you like it or not, now it's irrelevant. Now it's going to be like, you know, like lottery. And let's see if you like it in the end. Because it's going to be like something, like an experiment, like a special experiment. I assume that, you know, it's going to be like maybe 15 centimeters long, the whole thing. Because usually it's like that. Maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do 9. Let's do 9. 9 and 9 on one side, on the other side. 18, 19. Yeah. It's going to be like kind of, maybe for you, like a silly video, but for me it's kind of an experiment because I've never done something like that. It's very awkward. And that's what I'm going to put on Instagram. I'm going to like, that's something I did at random. Didn't really think about the combinations of colors. Actually, I'm not going to say it on Instagram. I'm going just to post it there and see how people react. Yeah? It's going to be an experiment, psychological experiment. See if people like it or not. Maybe people will say like, oh yeah, I like it. You know, like when Dali used to, you know, do his things, his pictures, and everybody was like, wow. Or Miro, yeah, it's so cool, it's so beautiful. And then it's like, whatever, doesn't mean anything. Yeah, I think those guys were kind of mocking us, you know, because yeah, you think too much about what they are doing, and actually sometimes they don't even do things that they want you to think about. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm thinking, I'm counting in Spanish. Yeah? 1, 2, yeah. Okay, so this is the bracelet, and I am not going to do anything else. Today, this is going to be the bracelet, and believe me, some people will like it. I'm just going to do this thing, and I'm going to post this video on YouTube, and I am going to check what the reaction is, because seriously, I just feel like testing people, see if they really, you know, do like something that happens like at random without even thinking about this happening. It's just like, it's great, it's great. I'm going to do a third one, I think. I'm going to do a third knot. See how it looks, this one. Yeah, it works. I'll cut it later, I think. I'll cut it now. Cut it now. so that you guys can see it. Hopefully it will work still the video. Yeah, because sometimes the camera shuts down for no reason. Tonya, can you just check your camera maybe? Good. Yeah, that's it. Oopsie, it went to the other side. Yeah, this one is in the middle now. Okay, perfect. That's it. So what do you think? You like it? I mean, as I'm saying, I have no idea. I just picked at random and I'm going to test. I'm going to post on Instagram, see what they do, what they say, what they think. If it's like, oh, that's great or something like that. Like. I love it. I love it. And by the way, just if you like the video, just click on like, subscribe, and then I'll post more videos. Okay, and click on the bell so that you get notifications. Guys, I love you. Have a good night, and catch you soon. Bye.